When you hear the word fungus, what is the first thing that pops into your head? Was it that ominous black spot that keeps on getting bigger in the corner of your basement? Or were you thinking of those scrumptious mushrooms that you see at the local farmer's market? How about cordyceps, the mind-controlling, zombie-turning fungus that you see in pop culture that takes over the world? Well, for me, the fungus that's been on my mind these past 2 years is an obscure fungus called endophytes. Endophytes are fungus that lives inside the leaves and tissues of a plant that forms a beneficial relationship called symbiosis. Now, these endophytes need the help of their host plant to be able to get access to necessary nutrients such as sugars, amino acids, and water that it needs to survive. In return, the plant gets a major boost in water and nutrient uptake, allowing it to grow much bigger and stronger. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, the real magic is when the plant is attacked. See, for us humans, when we feel threatened, we have our fight or flight response. Now, plants, unfortunately, they do not have legs. And so when they are attacked, they have to fight. And since the endophytes see the plants as its home, how do they fight? Using chemical warfare. Endophytes have a set of biological pathways that can produce chemical compounds to help deal with their threats. Dealing with drought, endophytes will produce compounds that will help the plant's roots elongate so it can have access to deeper water supplies. Dealing with bacterial infection, endophytes will be able to produce bioactive compounds that will kill off the infection, keeping its home safe. And by being able to study these bioactive compounds, we have been able to completely transform modern medicine. Regular use drugs such as penicillin, lovastatin, cyclosporin, these are all produced by endophytes. Now, the list goes on, and the fact of the matter is that we can continue to try to synthesize drugs in a lab, but we are unfortunately capped by our own imagination. Mother Nature, on the other hand, has had millions of years through evolution to come up with countless of ways to discover ways to fight off against diseases. This is why I've been focusing my research on studying the endophytes of blueberry and cranberry plants to see what properties do their compounds have that can help benefit us and the berries. And so, as I continue to discover new compounds, I cannot help but wonder what other secrets does Mother Nature have for us to discover.